Hello guys, my name is Jeru. I'm from STEM 111A and today we're going to talk about animal cell. So what I have in here is a diagram of an animal cell. In this video, I'm going to talk about the parts and their function. So yeah, let's get started. So first up, what we have in here is the Golgi apparatus. It's kind of like the cell's post office. A major function is the modifying, sorting, and packaging of proteins for secretion. It also involved in the transformation of lipids around the cell and the creation of lysosomes. The sac or fold of the Golgi apparatus are called cisternate. The next one we're going to talk about is the ribosome. Ribosome is the cell organelle. It functions as a micro machine for making proteins. Ribosomes are composed of special proteins and nucleic acid. The translation of the information and the linking amino acids are at the heart of the protein production process. Next up is the lysosome. Lysosome is a membrane-bound cell organelle that contains digestive enzymes. They break down excess or worn out cell parts. They may be used to destroy invading viruses or bacteria. If the cell is damaged beyond repair, lysosome can help it to self-destruct in a process called programmed cell death or apoptosis. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is a double membrane-bound organelle found in most eukaryotic organisms. Some cell in some multicellular organisms like mitochondria, a number of unicellular organisms such as Microsporidia, Pallas basalides, and displomonads have reduced or transformed their mitochondria into other structures. Cell membrane. Cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane, is found in all cells and separates the interior of the cell from the outside environment. The cell membrane consists of a lipid layers that is semi-permeable. The cell membrane regulates and transforms of materials entering and exiting the cell. Next is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a thick solution that fills each cell and is enclosed by the cell membrane. It is mainly composed of water, salt, and proteins. In eukaryotic cells, the cytoplasm includes all of the materials inside the cell and outside of the nucleus. Nucleus. Nucleus is a large organelle in eukaryotic organisms which protect the majority of the DNA within each cell. The nucleus also produces the necessary precursors for protein synthesis. The DNA housed within the cell nucleus contains the information necessary for the creation of majority of the proteins needed to keep a cell functional. Next up is the nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope separates content of the nucleus from the cellular cytoplasm. The envelope is riddled with holes called nuclear pores that allow scientific types and size of molecules to pass back and forth between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, a continuous membrane system that forms a series of flattened sacs with the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells and serve multiple functions, being important particularly in the synthesis, folding, modification, and transport of proteins. And lastly is the nucleolus. The nucleolus is the mysterious round structure we're all taught to draw inside the nucleus of a cell. We know that it is difficult to pronounce, but more importantly, what does it do? The nucleolus is considered as a brain of the nucleus. It occupies around 25% of the volume of the nucleus. It mainly involved in the production of subunits which then together form ribosomes. Therefore, nucleolus plays an important role in protein synthesis and the production of ribosomes in eukaryotic cell. And that is the parts of an animal cell and their function. Thank you for watching my video presentation. I am Jeru from STEM 111A. Hope you guys learn new things. Bye!